Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a highly requested topic, transferring WhatsApp from an Android device to the new iPhone 16. Whether you're upgrading or switching platforms, we've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide. Step 1. Backup WhatsApp data on Android. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Go to Settings, then Chats, and select Chat Backup. Tap on Backup Now to create a complete backup of your WhatsApp chats, media, and settings to Google Drive. Step 2. Prepare your iPhone 16. Now, power on your new iPhone 16 and complete the initial setup. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Install WhatsApp on iPhone 16. Next, head over to the App Store on your iPhone 16 and download WhatsApp. Once installed, open the app and proceed to the setup screen. Step 4. Transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone 16. For this step, we'll use the Move to iOS app. On your Android device, open the App Store and download Move to iOS. Follow the prompts to transfer your WhatsApp data securely to your new iPhone 16. Step 5. Verify and restore WhatsApp data. After the transfer is complete, your iPhone 16 will prompt you to verify your phone number. Once verified, you'll have the option to restore your WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to restore your chats and media. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your WhatsApp data is now successfully transferred to your new iPhone 16. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with anyone who might need it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on our channel. Until next time, thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and updates. See you next time.